श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
Namaste parents, students and friends. I am Mohan, mathematics teacher in Mangala Vidya Mandira, Yelhanka. There are 365 days in a year, but some days are special. Here we remember some beautiful souls, celebrate and make plans. 26th January, Republic Day. 29th September, Self-Declaration of Independence by Isuru. 21st June, the International Yoga Day. Trayodashi, that is the 13th day of Jyeshta Masa, is Hindu Samrajya Divas. It was 1596 when Shivaji Bhosle was coronated, famously known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje. In those days, the coronation was common among the royal bloodlines. But why did we choose the coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji and celebrating till today? To understand this, we need to go past in time. In those days, our ancestors were polite and humble. It was taken into advantage. Eventually, Uttara Bharata was ruled by Mughals, Dakshina Bharata was controlled by Sultans, and the spice merchants, the Europeans, started to show their true color and purpose. Most of these invaders were of different beliefs, standing on the land of the seekers. This was not acceptable by our ancestors. Still, few of our ancestors choose to be quiet and wait till the disaster strike on them. Few worked for the invaders for their own benefits, risking the sovereignty of this land. But most of our ancestors were brave-hearted. They chose to stand and fight. Fight for this land, culture and dignity. But still there was some issues among these brave-hearted. That is the dignity in some other dimension. I am a king. I am a king. Why should I collaborate with some other king and listen to his or her command? This gave an easy pass for the invaders to strike and take over the smaller empires one by one, eventually looking up for the larger empire. It was a situation where someone had to take the initiative, collaborate the forces and stand for this land. That someone was not a teenager. That someone didn't hold the title for that long. Yes, Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje was already 44 when he was coronated. The title Chhatrapati, he could hold it for less than 6 years until his death. But in his timeline, his works and actions were so remarkable, motivated the generations who wanted to stand for their land, culture and dignity. So this day, we remember the beautiful soul of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, celebrate his coronation and make plan to counter the forces which are trying to break the soul of this land. So in the name of land, culture and dignity, let us celebrate this day as Hindu Samrajya Divas. Dhanyawada. Thank you.